Hey, it's Ryan with Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you to replace the inverter control board on the Samsung refrigerator. We'll need a few different tools for the job. We'll leave those listed in the description below. Let's get started. For this repair, unplug or disconnect power to the refrigerator. With access to the back of the refrigerator, the control board is located behind this panel. First, start by removing these 4 Phillips screws. With the screws removed, you can now pull off the cover. Before disconnecting any wires, make sure to take a photo so you can reference it later when you're reconnecting the wires. Next, remove the electrical connectors by depressing the locking tab and pulling on each one to remove it. If the electrical connector does not remove easily, you may need to wiggle the connector back and forth while supporting the control board with your other hand. Then, move the wires out of the way. Now, depress the retaining tab and pull out on the control board to remove it. It's a good idea to handle the control board by its edges so you do not damage it. The inverter control board is what controls power for the compressor. If your compressor isn't starting or running, it could be caused by a bad inverter control board. If you have a bad inverter control board and you need to purchase a new one, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you get the correct part. To install the control board, insert the bottom of the board into the slot on the refrigerator. Now, push on the locking tab and then press on the control board until it locks into place. Now, reinstall the electrical plugs by lining up the pins and pushing until they lock into place. Now, tuck the wires in around the control board. Now install the cover panel by first inserting the bottom 2 tabs and then flipping up the panel. Now select the screw with the finer threads and install it into this location. Then install the 3 remaining screws. So that's it for this repair. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, let us know in the comments below.